Are you a content creator looking to turn your passion into profit on Facebook? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into essential steps you need to take to ensure you're eligible for Facebook monetization. From building your audience to engaging with your viewers, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Ready to take your Facebook presence to the next level? Well, the first step to Facebook monetization is building a strong following. Aim for at least 5,000 followers on your Facebook page or professional account. Want to boost your watch time and reach monetization goals faster? Well, to be eligible for monetization, you'll need to accumulate 60,000 minutes of watch time on your videos. Consistently uploading engaging content is key to achieving this milestone. Ever wondered how to keep your viewers coming back for more? Interact with your audience regularly by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and hosting live sessions. Building a strong connection with your viewers encourages loyalty and repeat visits. Looking for inspiration to create captivating videos? Well, here's a tip. Choose topics that resonate with your audience and showcase your unique perspective. Whether it's sharing valuable insights, entertaining stories, or helpful tutorials, make sure your content stands out. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secrets to Facebook monetization success. Remember, building a loyal audience and consistently creating engaging content are key to reaching your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Happy monetizing!